Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to discuss that if we will have something just like here we have some words that we don't know and we want to convert it into another language. So how we can do that in the Google Sheets. It is not about that to convert it into one language to another language. We will also discuss that how we can detect the language for any written text in the Google Sheets. So to find the answers of these questions, let's begin this tutorial. So for this we are going to use the Google Translate formula. So first of all we will start with the equal and write the Google Translate. Google Translate that auto-populated. Basically the logic of the Google Translate is the first part is obviously the text, the data which you want to convert. And after that, what is the source language? What is the language of the text that's written that you want to convert? And the third point is the target language. In which language you want to convert that text. So basically, this is my text that I want to translate. And after that, my source language is English. And everything that you will written in the source language and the target language that will be enclosed with the double quotes. So here is the English. So one thing that you have to ensure that you don't need to write the whole language, just like I will not here write the English. I have write the shortcode that is EN, and that's exactly that you have to write over here. And after that, my target language. So my target language is I have write the bunch of different languages names over here. And also you can see the codes right above the language name. So you can easily find the shortcode for each language in the Google. So I will select this cell here and enclose it. Okay, so it has converted it into some other language. Just let me increase the size so you can see the whole text here. So let me give it to 11. Now I have to convert all of this into different languages. So for this I'm going to make some changes with this formula, because for this column I don't want to move it to some other cell or some other column. So the column remains the same, so I will freeze the column. So that's my column, and after that the source language will be same, that will be not changing. And here I only want to freeze the row, so for that I will freeze that one. Now copy this and paste into all the cells. Everything that you have here in English that has been translated into different languages according to that. So in this way you can convert from one language into another language in the Google Sheets. Okay, the next question is that how we can detect the language. For example, if anything written over here just like in this language, and we don't know that what language is written in here, so how we can detect that one and convert from this to the relevant language that we want. So for this, let me freeze the first my row so we can see it easily that it is giving us the right answer or not. So for this I'm going to use the detect language formula. So hit equal detect language, and you just only need to select the cell for which you want to get to know about the language and enter. Now copy it and paste it to the other cells, and you can see that this is the same code that I have write in the above, and this is basically the code, and you can utilize this code into the Google Translate formula to convert it into the relevant languages. So that's it for today. Hope you have learned something new in this tutorial. And if you have learned something new in this tutorial, please give thumbs up to this tutorial, and also don't forget to mention your questions and suggestions down below in the comment section. We will see you in the next tutorial, and until then take good care and keep watching 5 Minute Session.